Imagine a life where you're no longer bound by financial stress, endless debt, or legal confusion. A life where you take control. A life where you call the shots. Sounds impossible? It's not. It's called becoming a secured party creditor. At MakeFreedom, we provide the #1 secured party creditor services online, crafted for people just like you who are ready to reclaim their power and financial independence. Our Done-For-You services are unmatched. You don't have to navigate complicated paperwork, legal jargon, or government filings. We do it all for you with precision, speed, and excellence. So why settle for less? I was drowning in debt, unsure of my next move. MakeFreedom changed my life. Their team was professional, fast, and got me results I never thought possible. Thousands have already taken the step toward financial sovereignty and personal freedom. Why not you? Becoming a secured party creditor means unlocking a world of benefits, protecting your assets, taking control of your credit, and stepping into a life of true freedom. Unlike other services, we don't leave you in the dark. Our process is transparent, straightforward, and designed to put you in the driver's seat. At MakeFreedom, we don't just deliver results, we deliver life-changing outcomes. The longer you wait, the more control you lose. Now is your chance to step into the freedom you deserve. Don't let another day pass without taking action. Go to MakeFreedom right now. This isn't just another service, it's a life transformation. With the best experts in the industry, we'll guide you every step of the way. Your freedom starts here. Your freedom starts today. Visit MakeFreedom and let us do the work. Your freedom is waiting. Will you answer the call?